Hey guys, it's Melanie and today we are here with another haul. Yeah. Huge thank you to Princess Polly for gifting me these items. Of course, this is my honest opinion. They're not paying me to say any of this. I honestly really like all the stuff I got. I got some really cool stuff, and so I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I just wanted to quickly mention that I do have a discount code, which is MEL20. So if you use that, you will get 20% off your order, which is, you know, perks. I mean, might as well use it. Am I right, ladies? I also wanted to quickly mention that Princess Polly does offer free express shipping to the US on orders over $70, and they also offer Afterpay on all US orders. That being said, with all that stuff out of the way, we're gonna get straight into this haul. I'm so excited for like spring transition clothes because I'm real done with winter, guys. I'm so done with it, and I just want to be wearing short sleeves and crop tops. Of course, this video is a try on because, you know, we all know that. Little shenanigans. Okay, let's get started. We'll start off with accessories, you know, mix things up. First off, I got this belt, and I'm real excited for this belt, okay? This is how I'm gonna style it, like this. Such a joke. What I like about this is, at first glance, it kind of looks like Gucci, doesn't it? But obviously, I can't afford Gucci. This, way better. I don't know, this circle pattern is really stylish and trendy and whatnot. You just look very professional, I guess. So I really like how this looks, and I think it will give me a very grown-up, more mature look, because obviously that's what I'm going for. When you look like this, you kind of need a, yeah. So on to some accessories. If you can't tell, I really like gold, which is kind of weird because I thought I was a silver gal, and I thought like, oh, I look better in silver, but you know, I've been into gold, okay? So I got like 3 necklaces. Actually, maybe I got more. I don't know. I can't really count. So, oh my gosh. How did this happen? I've had these for 2 seconds. First off, I got this one. Now this isn't something I would think of myself wearing because it's kind of edgy gangster, if you will. It says money on it. Reminds me of Cardi. Money. Yeah, it's kind of tacky, but I also kind of like it, even if the word is money. I think I'll wear it. I like it. I like it. I think it would look really good with this shirt right now. The next necklace that I got, it's like a little dainty one, and it has a little bumblebee, or actually not a actually, I don't know. It has a little bug or a bee, not a bug. It's a bee, okay? And I think that's just freaking adorable. I just love dainty little necklaces. I wear them all the time. They look good with everything and anything and everything, okay? Okay, so I got 4 necklaces. I can't count. I also got this one, which is like a rectangle, which I thought was kind of cool. I actually don't know what's on it. It's like Queen Elizabeth or something. I don't know. This would also look good with this shirt right now. Wow, this shirt just goes with everything. So I really like this one. It's adorable. Really good for layering. We all know that I love layering my necklaces, which makes sense because this is a pre-layered necklace that I already got knotted up. Yay, go me. I think I just made it worse. So it's double layered, and it has the little circle thingies. Don't know what those are called. And then it also has a little cross on it. Actually, it's not little, it's kind of big. Would also look good with this shirt, duh. So I really like pre-layered stuff because I'm very bad at matching stuff up by myself. I'm really sad because I got this in the wrong size, but it's the little wave ring, and I think it's so adorable, and I would love to wear it, but I got it's too big. Like it'll just fall off. Now on to the clothes, which is what we're all here for, right? I don't know. We're all here for different reasons. That's okay. That's fine. This top, I love it so much. I don't even know what this picture is of, honestly, but just something about it, it makes me feel like a piece of artwork. This top feels like amazing quality. This is also a little more mature for me. I have no clue where I'm gonna wear this. Kind of scary because the straps, you literally just tie them. So like someone could prank you real hard and like untie it and your shirt falls off, but that's what double knotting is for, because nobody is gonna be doing that to me, you know? That's unacceptable. I really like dark green lately, and this is just a satin, silk, whatever, I don't know my materials top. Then I got these pants. I don't know how to describe these at all. They're just kind of like a khaki color, but I feel like they could be styled really nicely with some like lace-up boots or something like that, if you get what I'm saying. Even with this top, dang, this top just goes with everything, y'all. Real excited for these, man. I got this Vans hoodie. I really like that it has the checkered print on the sleeves and in the hood. It's just like a nice cohesive look, and it also has the Vans little logo embroidered there. This is just a real cozy, you know, chillin' hoodie, nice and soft inside. This is one of those things where you're like, I really don't need another hoodie, but I'm gonna get another hoodie because I love hoodies. I can wear these with my matching checkerboard Vans and I'll just be all checkerboarded out and I'll be a skater girl. Hello, I'm a skater girl. Can you not tell? As if I don't already have a video showing myself with literally 10 teddy coats, I got another one. Great quality. This is the size small medium, and I don't know, the quality of this is just so nice, and it's really thick and warm, which is great because we all know your girl gets a little cold sometimes. And I have a few more things to go through. I should have put this with the accessories, but I forgot because, yeah, I'm a little dumb. I got this little like satin scarf thing, and okay, hear me out. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with this, but I just think it's kind of cool. Like, I kind of want to wear it around my head. I could wear it around my neck. I don't know. I'm not sure how to wear scarves. Maybe that's it. Okay, like this kind of. Okay, whatever. I don't know. I'll figure out some way to use this, you know? Some way. Oh, catch me at Coachella like that. Yeah, I wish. I got 2 sweaters, and I know what you're thinking, like, Melanie, why are you getting sweaters at the end of winter? I don't know. I just had to. They were too dang cute, okay? This one is a nice knit, and it's cropped. This is like the most basic sweater, but, you know, it goes with anything. It would look real cute with like a plaid skirt or something. Love it. Love the fit of it and like everything about it, to be honest. And then I also got this sweater. Someone tell me, I don't know what this material is, but it's literally so soft. Like, I love it. I also really love the color of this. It's like this blush pink shade, and it has like, I don't know what it's called, something down the sleeve. It's not super thick, but it's really warm because it's so soft, if that made any sense. And then the last thing I got is this denim jacket, but it's not any denim jacket. It is cropped, which I think is really cool because I have a lot of denim jackets, but I don't love any of them because they're kind of so oversized to the point where I literally look like I'm wearing my dad's huge jacket. It's just not cute. So I wanted to try something out with this cropped one, you know. I think I'm feeling it. I would layer this with a cropped zip-up hoodie. I have one. I already have it in my mind. Okay, I feel like I just breezed through that haul. I don't know if that's because I didn't talk about stuff in that much detail. There's only so much you can say about an item, so we're just gonna end it off there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you soon. Okay, see ya. Bye.